the smart school, ये मेरा स्कूल है. The smart school, हम सबका स्कूल है.
As we are discussing about ones and tens in the place value for two-digit numbers, it is very important to know that what are ones and what are tens. You must know that what is the difference between ones and tens. To clarify this thing, we will use block material. 1 unit cube stands for 1, 1. And if there are 4 unit cubes, it means there are 4 ones. Same way, if there are 5 unit cubes, mean 5 ones, 6 unit cubes mean 6 ones, 7 unit cubes mean 7 ones, and value sums further. Let's watch the video.
Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Yes, come up with your answer. Yes, it's 23. Alright children, hope you have understood the topic of place value in terms of units and tens for two-digit numbers. It won't be difficult for you for finding the place value of two-digit numbers anymore, but there are few things you have to remember, always keep into your mind. First one is, while reading a place value table, always move from right to left. While reading a place value table, we move from right to left. Number 2, within the place value table or place value chart, write each digit in the respective column. It means whether this is ones or tens. You have to write down ones in the ones column, tens in the tens column. Moreover, you need to follow the place value table or chart while making any sum of addition or subtraction. It will make your working easier and you will find out the answer correctly. If you are going to make an addition or subtraction sum, write down the units under the units and tens under the tens. Same thing will be followed for writing the answers as well. Write down the answers of units under the units and answer of tens within the tens column. In this way, place value concept helps you to work out not only for addition and subtraction, but when you will move towards multiplication or division, you will find it easier to work out the given sums. Best of luck, children.